So I will describe Python as it is easier for a beginner to understand properly and take it to advanced level. Python is a high-level, interpreted, and general-purpose programming language. It is designed to be easy to read and write, and emphasizes readability and efficiency. It is a popular choice for beginners because of its simple syntax and dynamic typing, which allow new programmers to start writing code quickly without having to worry about defining data types. Python is also highly versatile and can be used for a wide range of tasks, from web development to data analysis to scientific computing. With its large community and wealth of libraries, it is possible to advance to complex projects and applications once the basics have been learned. So this is the basic guide for a beginner to understand about Python. Thanks for watching.